Alright guys, here's the food that we ordered. Check out the presentation. Look at my chicken sandwich with that nice sauce, coleslaw, all nice. The blue cheese, ranch. I got the.
How many wings is it?
I ended up getting 10 wings. I ended up getting the hot and honey sauce. This is my buddy banana pudding. That looks legit. And look at his mac and cheese.
Looks so delicious.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna start trying this and let you guys know how it tastes.